Hi Kiran, this is Raman here. So I will use this video to guide you on the process of how you can upload a video recording to Blackboard and embed it within your course such that your students can access, they can watch the video but they won't be able to download it. Okay, so we start off with your Blackboard screen here once you log in. Then on the top right, you click on NIE Tools. And on this page, on the left, you look for My Media Kaltura and you click on My Media. So Kaltura My Media is the section within Blackboard where you will use all. So Kaltura My Media within Blackboard is the section that you will use to manage your video resources. So you can upload your video recordings here, and from here you can embed them within the courses. So I'll show you how you can do that. So you'll see the Add New button, click on that, and we click on Media Upload. In this case, the video is already recorded on your computer and you want to upload it, so you choose Media Upload. So once you select that, and soon you will see this. Either you can drag or drop a file to this location, or you can click on Choose a File to Upload. So I select Choose a File to Upload. And I have a file on my computer, the desktop. So this is a video file. I will double click to upload it. So once I double click, this progress bar will indicate to what percentage my video has uploaded. And over here, I can put the title for a video as well as a description. So you need to put in the name and the description, or you can leave the description blank if you want. And below, I scroll below and click on Save. Okay, it says your changes have been saved. And over here, when you scroll up, it shows your upload is completed. So once I click on Save, then I can click. The next step I do is I publish the video. So I click on Publish, and I select the course to which I want to publish my video to. So for example, I will select this course here, and then I will scroll down and I click on Save. Okay, so we have uploaded the video and published it. The next step is to embed it within the course. So we'll go back to our institution page. Then I select the course. And I go to Course Documents. And I want to embed the video within the course documents here. So I click on Tools and Kaltura Media. So just now we uploaded the video to Kaltura Media. And so here we come to Course Documents, Tools, and Kaltura Media. And you will open up this page of all the videos that you have uploaded to Kaltura. So this is the video that I want to embed within the course. Now if you see this gear turning icon, it simply means that the video has been uploaded, but it's still processing and it will be ready soon. But you can still go ahead and embed the video. So I click on Select. This is the video. So I click on Select. Click on Select. Then I will give it a title. And I ensure that users can view the content and click on Submit. And once I've submitted it, the video will be in my course documents, but it might be right at the bottom. So you see this is where the video is. And I can just move my mouse here and rearrange the order in which it appears. So this is how I embed a course video within my course. And when I click on play, it will take a while and the video will load and the students will be able to play and watch the video. So if I click on play, it will play within this screen.
Zoom live class,
then I can also maximize the full screen.
List of icons at the bottom.
And go back to the smaller screen presentation. and you notice that the students will not be able to download the video. So this is embedded within the course. I hope this guide was useful. Thank you.